Hey, what's up guys? Here's the new project, 2015 Ford Expedition. It's an old police car. I'm gonna convert it over to all leather interior. Already put these seats in. These are the leather captain seats. I'm gonna get some WeatherTech seats, or not seats, but carpet for that. And I'm gonna convert that over to leather power seat. Got leather front seats. There's where the dog used to chew on the seat. I got new door panels and everything, so we're gonna be installing those soon. Just a little video on the new project. If you guys want to watch and learn how to convert the heated and cooled front seats on the Expedition, subscribe. Also gonna do the Sync 3 upgrade on the dash. Put the 8-inch screen. So yeah, subscribe, like the video. I'll post some links to the harnesses and everything that I'm going to purchase for it to get everything up and running. You guys take it easy.